In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Redbubble login problem. If you're struggling to access your account, don't worry, I've got you covered with some practical steps to help get you back online in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to redbubble.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to click on the Login option. It's usually easy to spot near the top right corner of the homepage. Now, before you enter your login details, take a moment to double-check your email and password for typos. It's surprisingly common to make a simple mistake here, and even one misplaced character can prevent you from logging in successfully. If after checking everything thoroughly you still can't log in because you've forgotten your password, there's an easy fix. Just click on the Lost Password link, which will guide you through resetting your password. They'll send you an email with instructions, so make sure to follow those carefully. Once you've reset your password and still have difficulty accessing your account, it's time to try some browser maintenance. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Cache and cookies can often store outdated information, which might cause loading or login issues. To do this, go to your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Select cookies and cache from the list and hit clear. After doing this, try logging in again. Sometimes, browser extensions like ad blockers can also interfere with logging into websites. Temporarily disable these extensions and see if this resolves the issue. Extensions can sometimes disrupt certain features on a web page, including the login functionality, so turning them off might just do the trick. If nothing has worked so far, don't lose hope. It's worth trying a different browser or switching to incognito or private mode. Occasionally, browser-specific issues can cause login problems, so using a different one might bypass those issues altogether. Finally, if you've exhausted all these options and you're still unable to log in, it's time to reach out for professional help. Contact Redbubble support for assistance. When doing so, be sure to include all relevant information like your email, the device you're using, and any error message you received. This will help them diagnose the problem more quickly and provide you with a solution. And there you have it. Several strategies to address Redbubble login issues. Remember, patience is key when troubleshooting tech problems. Hopefully, one of these solutions will have you back on Redbubble, exploring and sharing your creative works in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.